And win his first one, this year, major and master series at 29.
Well played. The big difference, though, Brad, was that Stan had 12 months of great tennis behind that win at the Australian Open in 2013. He played some wonderful tennis.
Who's playing
made
with?
the Masters, got through to the semi-finals. So
that's
Roger
Federer.
Surprise, and a lot of good form.
You want to play with Roger Federer?
Come out of nowhere.
Sensi. There he is.
I haven't seen Roger get himself this pumped up for a long time as well. This is great. Champion struggling with his game, finding other ways.
Get that ball.
Challenge from Federer, who's got 3 left.
Tsonga knows maybe. He's already on the other side of the court. Rogers too, but...
There goes the ball.
Chase review shows it's a double fault. 3rd for Federer.
There he is. There goes the ball. Here it is.
Second serve and volley, but Tsonga read it beautifully.
Oh no. Oh, don't be tired yet.
Danger again in the Federer service game.
Say, go Roger. Go Roger.
Deep return, and just like that, Rogers Cup championship point for Jo Tsonga.
Oh no. Yeah, I would leave too.
Roger will expect the point.
Yeah, this will be interesting. He's a long way back, though, Joe.
He was called wide and then corrected by the lines
but
person.
he had his racket on the ball, so you have to play 2 on that.
Yeah, even though the call really didn't make much of an impact on the return.
We'll just stay and watch the end without the cat.
Tsonga will get a second serve, championship point.
Yeah, Joe got mad. He thought somebody yelled out in the middle of the point.
Oh.
He'll shut up with the crowd.
Yeah, that usually doesn't win you many friends.
Roger saved another match
Push
point.
back. They were downtown Toronto at that point.
Even without the cat. Oh, he's gonna come back. Will he come back? Will he come back without the cat?
Joe still looks
We
really
hope
good.
so.